My name is Eric. I came to Dr. Hahn. I've had one implant recently, and several years ago I had a front tooth implant. Well, there was an accident where I hit my head on a tree, actually, and I saw stars, and then I didn't think it was too bad, but then I got an abscess. My wife found Dr. Hahn and said, "You really need to go to him." And I went over and I said what a night and day difference it was, because he really was a lot better. We looked at it, and then he determined that it was infected, the tooth was cracked, determined it possibly we could save it, went to a specialist, and then ultimately they took it out, and then I came in and started the process of the implant.
Eric came in multiple reasons. He had an accident, so he accidentally fractured his front teeth. We took the CT scan to see what type of damage. A lot of the trauma cases, vital structure, bone structure can be damaged. So what I told him is doing a bridge is one option, but then we have to compromise teeth adjacent to it. So I told him we can do an implant, but there's going to be a long process because of the bones that supports the round area. It's already compromised, and we got to do the grafting procedures. And then once the bones are healed, then we're going to do a dental implant to get his smile back.
Since the surgery on the implant, and then subsequently had another one in my side of my mouth, all things are good. I mean, the front, there's a learning curve, because when you're chewing, you don't realize that now you don't have a teeth with nerve in there, so you're biting down. But it does look like my normal tooth in the front, matches up nicely, and I think 110% great job. When you meet Dr. Hahn, he has some personal interest. He doesn't go right to we're running a business here, we all know that, but he comes in and he says, "Hey, how's things going with my son being a soccer player?" He asks how he's doing, my wife, and he asks about my daughters. So he knows my family enough that he asks about it. So I think that's just another reason that we come to him. But again, I mean, it's a professional place you come into, and it should be.